I am Mr. Gant. Project Management. Assigning codes to tasks. Assigning codes to tasks. A project's code libraries and the codes within them are displayed in the project view. You can assign codes to tasks by dragging them from the project view onto tasks. To assign codes from the subcontractor's code library to tasks. 1. Click and next to code libraries in the project view to view the project's code libraries. 2. Click and next to subcontractors to view the codes within that code library. 3. Double-click the substructure summary task in the bar chart to open it. 4. Click and drag a code from the subcontractor's code library in the project view onto the dig footings task in the bar chart. A pop-up appears showing you which code you are about to assign to the task. 5. Release the mouse button. A dialog appears informing you that the code library you are using is not currently displayed in the bar chart. Click Yes to specify that the codes from this library should be displayed. The dig footings task is color-coded according to the code that you have assigned to it. Note also that the subcontractor's code library now has a red tick against it in the project view. This tick indicates that the codes from this library are displayed in the current view. You can specify which codes are displayed in the bar chart by right-clicking Code Libraries in the project view and selecting Display Library from the menu that appears. If you display the codes from more than one library at the same time, you can specify the order in which they are displayed using the Multiple Display Libraries dialog, which you can access by right-clicking a code library in the project view and selecting Multiple Display Libraries. 6. Assign codes from the subcontractor's code library to the other tasks in the substructure summary group. Note that you can assign codes to more than one task at a time by Shift or Control selecting the tasks, then assigning a code to one of the selected tasks. 7. Assign codes from the subcontractor's code library to the rest of the tasks in the project, but not to the summary tasks or to the expanded task or the hammock. Note that you do not need to assign codes to the tasks in the hammock, as these are copies of other tasks. They show the code library assignments as soon as you assign codes to the tasks where they appear elsewhere in the project. Your project should now look something like this.